Hello, in this video we're going to talk about Alabama warrant searches. So how to research warrants in the state of Alabama, whether bench warrants or arrest warrants. To get started, come to alabamapublicrecords.org. I will leave a link in the description. You can click on that or just type it into your browser. And you'll notice there's quite an extensive database of a list of public record databases in the state of Alabama on the homepage, but we're going to focus specifically on warrants. So if you hover over other records, we have specific pages for records that are more sought after. So anything from background checks to court records, property records, and there's a link here for warrant search. So go ahead and click on that. And what you'll notice here is there isn't necessarily a statewide system specifically for warrant searches in Alabama. And if you scroll down, what you'll see is county information. So some counties will display a list online. With others, you will have to contact, there could be a special phone number that you need to call at the local, like a sheriff's department, where you can verify this information. Another thing to consider is using court records. Now, one thing with warrants, whether it's a bench warrant or arrest warrant, they have to go through a judge. And so anytime that happens, it creates a court document, and court records are considered public record. So depending on how sensitive like a case is, sometimes they will make it a public record, sometimes they won't. In certain cases, they don't want that information out there necessarily right away. But what you're able to do is you're able to research court records in the state of Alabama. So if you hover over other records again, you can click on the court records page. And if you scroll down, you will notice there are quite a few options here available for you to research court information in the state of Alabama. So you have quite a few options here in terms of researching warrants, whether it's having the phone number, the right phone number to call, whether it's some sheriff's departments will actually display a list for you, and then you can also use court information. Another thing to consider if you are researching criminal arrest information, things like that, you can use this name search on top. And what's great about this is it's not just researching in the state of Alabama, it goes also outside the state. So multiple states, it's like a nationwide look into somebody's criminal past. And so if you, let's say you have an individual that's living in Alabama now, if you're just, but he's got, say, a criminal past in Texas or in Georgia, and you're just looking at county records or state records in Alabama, you're not necessarily going to see what happened outside the state. So this just enhances your research and gives you more databases to work with. So once again, it's alabamapublicrecords.org. Come on down and get started on your Alabama warrant search. Thank you.